Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have this really nice Evo 9 to clean up, and I've got a couple of products that I want to test out during this process. So you will see this car in quite a few videos, if I'm honest. I'm doing a few different product review tests, I guess, on this car, but I'm also doing a full cinematic style detail video on this one. But to start, I have two products that I've been really meaning to test out. So these are from Platinum Potions. So on this car, I'm going to be using their Ultra Foam for the foaming and their Body Cleanse for the contact wash. So yeah, these are two that I've been holding on to for a while, waiting to test out. So that's exactly what we'll do in this video. So just quickly to run over both products, we've got the Ultra Foam here. It is pH neutral, as you can see. And we use it just like about every snow foam with 900 mils of water to 100 mils of foam. So I'll be putting this into my MJJC foam cannon, and then after we've done that, we will be using the Body Cleanse in the bucket, and this one also pH neutral, and we want about 25 mils per 10 litres of water. So yeah, pretty good dilution. I'm pretty keen to test these out because so far everything I've tried from the guys at Platinum Potions, which is an Australian company, have really impressed me. So yeah, this is the perfect car to test them out on. Like I said, there will be a bunch more videos on this car, so if you guys are keen to see more of this Evo 9, then definitely keep an eye out for the other videos coming. But with that said, I actually am dealing with this on a rainy day. So rather than trying to do all this in the rain, I'm hoping this clears up. In about an hour, I'll reverse the car out and we'll get started foaming this car and testing out the Platinum Potions products. All right guys, let's test out this foam from Platinum Potions. So yeah, pretty keen to see how this does. Let's check it out. Okay, so they weren't lying when they called it Ultra Foam. That is super thick. So I'm gonna move down the side of the car now and keep going with that, 'cause yeah, it's looking pretty impressive. Definitely so far so good. can see, it goes on super thick, and I can confirm, yep, smells amazing. I did go a little crazy with this because I wanted to get that cinematic slow-mo with the gimbal that you guys just saw, so hopefully you enjoyed that. But yeah, it goes on really nicely. This car has no protection, so we don't really need to worry about is it going to mask anything, because it's a pH neutral foam. It doesn't have anything added to it, and yeah, the rinse off is going to be nice and easy. But so now what I'm going to do is get this rinsed down, and then we're going to test out the contact wash solution, which is called Body Cleanse. So yeah, we've got that mixed in the bucket already, and I want to see how that does, how it feels, because all of these products from Platinum Potions are available in multiple sizes, so I'll go over that at the end. But yeah, if this is something that I really like, then I can buy it in a 1 litre, a 2 litre, a 5 litre, or anything like that. So yeah, it's really good to see how many great Australian detailing companies are coming out with products and selling them in bulk, making it a great easy option to support them and use Australian products. Alright guys, so let's test out this Platinum Potions Body Cleanse. So just first thing I'm going to say is it is extremely slick. So this one is pH neutral, and it is actually got some pretty clever ingredients in it. So it's probably not the ideal wash for me to use right now, but it's something that is going to, over time, fill in scratches, is what they're claiming. It's also extremely gentle for cleaning, so they're saying it cleans as well as something that has a much higher pH, but it is actually pH neutral. So yeah, it's got definitely some great ingredients in it to do what it does, but something that I can just tell straight away is it's nice and slick, gives some good suds, as you can see. Yeah, extremely slick gliding over the paint with this one, so definitely something that you would use regularly. Like, yeah, that is just super slick, very happy with that. It is actually safe for waxes, coatings, and things like that. They've designed it to be more of a sheeting product, so it's not going to give you beading, but it is going to make the water sheet off easier for your rinse off. So yeah, pretty clever stuff in it. Definitely seems to have some good cleaning power. I've already foamed this. This car wasn't too dirty, but just in some spots where there was some marks, I can definitely see that it is cleaning quite well. Look at this mirror here. Yeah, definitely nice to use. You can see the great suds it's giving. And then as you wipe that in, it is super slick. So I mean, there's not too much I can really talk about with this. Like, I mean, it's better off, I'm going to butcher all the ingredients and what it does, but yeah, better off looking at the website. I will put in the description more of what the claims are that this does, but just for a user experience, definitely very nice. So yeah, I mean, I need to do this whole car. It's probably going to rain soon, so I really need to get a move on, so I'm going to probably end this section here. But yeah, just thought there's only I don't want to make just long videos drawn out, so I thought rather than making a video just on this product, I would just use the foam and this in one video, because I wanted to use both products today on this car. So yeah, I mean, I'm very happy with it. I'm going to finish washing the car, like I said, and then what I'll do is I'll give my final thoughts on the two products, go over the pricing and all that stuff at the end of the video. Okay, so I've just finished washing the car, so thought I'd give my thoughts on these two products. So starting off with the Ultra Foam. So yeah, super thick, great smell. Can get it in this 500ml, a 1 litre, a 2 litre and a 5 litre. So I'll put those prices up on the screen, I guess, be the easiest way, because I can't remember off the top of my head. And yeah, I liked it. The Body Cleanse. This one I probably was out of the two. This one I preferred. This one I really liked using. Oops, sorry, my pressure washer kicking on there. So yeah, Body Cleanse, Nanotech Body Cleanse. So this stuff is very slick, and so on the website, their products, they all have really actually good descriptions, really describe what they do and what goes into them. Chemistry at Platinum Potions is sort of at the forefront, I guess. They put a lot of effort into it. So yeah, I mean, it says a little bit of the info on the back of the bottle, but really if you want to find out everything, definitely check the website out. But so what they talked about on the website for this product was the fact that it's not hydrophobic It's hydrophilic, if anything, just to help sheet the water off when you're rinsing, which is definitely a good thing. We don't really want hydrophobic all the time for our sort of body shampoos, as they call it. They do have another one, which I will test out in the future, which is a hydrophobic shampoo. But this one, really slick, and they say that it's a pH neutral of 7.2, and they claim it cleans like something with a much higher pH. I mean, I'd have to say that it definitely seems to do that. There was a few spots on this car which hasn't really been cleaned that well in a while. It's been in storage. So there was a few spots on this car that were pretty caked in, and I expected to have to probably clay them out. There is some that are still there and that the polish will have to do because I am polishing this car afterwards. But surprisingly, just going over with the mitt with this, straight away just lifted everything off. So I was actually pleasantly surprised, I've got to say. Yeah, I think I'm going to buy like maybe, I've got so many car shampoos, so I try and limit what I do end up buying more of. But I think I'm going to keep using this. It's going to take me a while to get through it, but I think when it runs out, I might buy like the 2 litre, and this is going to be something that I can use. Yeah, I'm going to play around with, see how it does on the ceramic coated cars. The fact that it says it's hydrophilic and not hydrophobic, I don't know if that's going to then sort of throw off the ceramic coating and clog it up or something, but I'll test it out. But for now, just for like a maintenance wash for something that isn't coated, this is probably going to be one of my go-tos. I really enjoyed using it. So yeah, I mean, I will end the video there. Forgot to say about the prices for this one, which I'll chuck up on the screen, also available. Just like about everything they sell comes in a 500 ml, which is this bottle, a 1 litre, 2 litre, and a 5 litre. So yeah, I'll throw the prices up on the screen to make it nice and easy. But highly recommend you go check Platinum Potions out. Not only the air fresheners, which I use all the time now, absolutely love the air fresheners, but they do have this full exterior range. So this is just a taste of some of the things. Plenty more videos to come from these guys' products. So yeah, I'd really appreciate if you guys could support them. Actually a fellow Evo owner that owns the company, so that's always a bonus, but also an Australian and very passionate about his car detailing line. So yeah, link in the description. Like I said, check them out. That's going to be it for this video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know, have you used any Platinum Potions? And who knows, maybe I'll do a bit of a giveaway on some of their products. We'll see if they'll be interested in doing that, because they got some great stuff. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already. But that is going to be it for this video. Until next time, I will catch you guys later.
Oh.